of course, you will need. Oh, this doesn't work. Okay, hold on. Oh, there you go. Yay! We need remove the fresh, remove the launder, just a napkin, all right, and a flat surface. Basically, that's for you to make your foldings. So we're gonna start with your first folding, all right? So the first one, step one, lay down flat. Yay! All right, everybody got that? Yes? All right. So you're gonna turn this into a diamond when you're looking down to your napkin. Make sure you're seeing a diamond shape instead of a square. Yes? Okay. Here we go. Number two, fold it into half. Fold it, forming a pyramid. Look alike. Da-da-da-da. Yes. All right, everybody got that one? Yes? Very responsive. Here we go. Number three. All right, so what you're gonna do at the bottom bit, right over here, all right, you're just gonna fold it up just a little bit like that screen right over there. See? Just a little bit of it. So fold it up. So it's like now it's like a boat. It's like a boat. There you go. Pull it up. Everybody has that? Yes. All right. Here we go. So your next step. Yay. All right. So what you're gonna do? All right. Yeah, just at the bottom. So you're gonna flip it over on the other side. All right. Flip it over on the other side. And then you decide whether you're gonna start from the left to the right or to the right to the left. What you're gonna do is from one end to the other end, you're just gonna roll tightly. All right, roll tightly the whole thing, from left to right or right to left. Yes. So roll from left to right or right to left. It's up to you. There you go. The lovely lady has done it. Yes. Oh. All right, just make sure that when you're rolling it, you make sure that it's tight. Yeah.
Good job.
Just keep rolling it. All right. On go. All right, everybody has that? Yeah? All right, so as soon as you get to the end, you have that flappy bit that you need to tuck in. So you can just see basically the pocket. Wait, let me just see. So there's a pocket in this area. You're just gonna tuck that inside there. All right, so tuck it in. There you go. All right, tuck it in nice and snug. All right, now we're gonna do the stand-up test. So put it on the table, a flat surface, probably a table, the better. So if it stands, yay, you passed the test. All right, well done. All right, so finishing touches. So on the very top, just to make it like as if it's a light up candle. So the outer bit on the top, all right, just gonna fold down, all right? Fold it down, and then have that little flame. Oh. All right, or you don't have to, it's up to you. There you go, well done. Yes, all the way down. Yes. Have you done the stand-up test? Oh, look, it stands up. There you go. Well done. All right. Who got this one already?